hearty welcome here. Bishop Topo has invited us, our little group, 4 girls, 2 boys and me, to come here, to visit India and to learn to know the life of the church here. Today we may take part in this wonderful celebration. Yesterday we have been in a Franciscan eco-spiritual center. And there we sang a Franciscan song, the Canticle of the Sun. The Holy Francis has written this song, and this song says, Blessed be you, my Lord, by Brother Sun. He is beautiful and strong, a parable of you, the Most Highest. Blessed be you by Sister Moon and the stars. Blessed be you by Brother Wind, Brother Fire, Sister Water, and our Sister Mother Earth. Blessed be you, or be blessed, by all those who make peace, and by the men who are not afraid, even not afraid of death. That's the Canticle of Francis, Canticle of the Sun, and the Sun in this song is part of the creation, but it is also something like a picture for God itself. And our best wishes for you is, may the love of God always be like the sunshine, and may good community, helpful, friendly and joyful community always be like the sunlight. Also our Canticle of the Sun for you.
Take. Check. Mike, take.
I don't know.
William.
Laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, sei gepriesen, du hast die Welt erschaffen, sei gepriesen für Sonne, Mond und Sterne, sei gepriesen für Meer und Kontinente, sei gepriesen, wenn du bist, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, sei gepriesen für Wolken, Wind und Regen, sei gepriesen, du lässt die Wellen schwingen, sei gepriesen, du lässt die Wälder reifen, sei gepriesen, wenn du bist, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, sei gepriesen, du lässt die Vögel kreisen, sei gepriesen, wenn sie am Morgen singen, sei gepriesen für alle deine Tiere, sei gepriesen, wenn du bist, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore, laudato si, Domini Signore. Signore, laudatosi. Omi, Signore, laudatosi. Omi, Signore, laudatosi. Omi, Signore, laudatosi. Omi, Signore, laudatosi.
Very good.
Daniel नोंथाङा जेरावखि थाया मानो नैबे जौसांसिम फैनांगौ Daniel नोंथाङा जेरावखि थाया मानो नैबे जौसांसिम फैनो नांगौ
Daniel Narzari नोंथांखौ जौसांसिम नागिरदों अन्नानै थांनांगौ
This is a sign of welcome. Sit down. Sit down. Ambai say. Yes. Ambai means thank you very much.
Germany alasi.
Another one. Come. Sign of welcoming. So you say thank you, Hambai say. Okay. Next, please come. Please sit here. Is it good? It's okay. So I say thank you, Hambai say. Right pronunciation, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Hambai say? Yeah, good. Okay. Next one, come. Hambai say. Sign up, welcome you, okay?
Sampai finish. Now let us proceed towards the altar. Onane lama onane he. Alas.
We're extremely happy and no problem. Traditional scarf. This scarf belongs to Boro people. Thank you. Thank you so much. And next, we have got Lalaiwa seat. I don't know. Lalaiwa Sahid or seat, I don't know. Lalaiwa. Lilaiwa or Lalaiwa? Lalaila. Lalaila. You are most welcome. And next we have got Meliwa Andres. Meliwa Andres. Please come over the stage and show us your beautiful appearance, beautiful face. No? Thank you so much. And may God bless you. And next we have got Christine Itzer. Christine Itzer, please come over the stage. And next we have got Felix Misman. Felix Misman. He's he's a quite gentleman, young, no? Energetic. Handsome, young, energetic, no? Thank you so much for introducing yourself. And lastly, we have got David Fenner. David Fenner, please come over the stage. No? Thank you so much. By your presence, today's program has become extraordinary. Thank you so much. Okay.